Okay, friends, so let me show you these Magnesium Porsche 928 intake manifold parts, intake manifold itself, and a cam cover. These are made of magnesium. The cam cover has been media blasted. The intake manifold is a GTS model, so it had the extra thick, gooey coatings that the non-GTS cars did not have. And I think it's prudent to show many times in many repetitive videos just what is inside the 4R manifold. When I say 4R, I mean it has 4R in the stamping. So that's Greg Brown's, but this is the one that was sent to me from a customer up in the Pacific Northwest. It was damaged in shipping. So I've taken it and had it welded. The cam covers had some little small cracks on the outside, and on this side it was quite a large crack. So this has been welded and it came out really good. I'm very happy with it. And of course I will just machine it, sand it down, sand down the inside, and of course the inside there. If you send me your things, you send me your products, cam covers, etc., and they need it, of course you'll be informed. You'll be in the loop on this kind of activity, and but I want it to come back to you in a much better condition than than you had it when you sent it to me. So right here, of course the bearing won't fit in there like that. I'll just have to sand that down, machine it down a bit on the inside, and I've got some old bearings and I'll push one in to make sure that it does meet the criteria and everything's good to go. And even right here, how the surface of the intake manifold has a slight texture to it, it will be replicated in this small welded part. I'll just make it happen. I've got some small devices that can put a textured pattern in that. Also, if your cam covers are problematic with a lot of pitting and cracking and things like that, I will put them in a powder coating primer. These cam covers are perfect. They don't need any of that. They're perfectly cast. They're beautiful, but it just had the metalwork problems of cracking and the aforementioned damages. So, but if they do come through and they're very noticeable, I will get them in powder coating primer. These are Greg Brown's, and he always wants his stuff perfect, but these are already in very good shape. So I don't think these will need it. I don't think these will need any kind of treatment or conditioning whatsoever. And this is Mike in Los Angeles. His is good. Well, his has a little bit of activity there, but these are an S3. You do not see those at all. So, there it is. Magnesium welding on your stuff. It will be done here professionally. So it'll come back to you very nicely. Very perfect. And it's a beautiful rainy day here today. And I'm going home. Cheers!